Hello, good morning. My name is Lance Liam and welcome to Travel Tour Adventure. Another view of Iceland. Ayan po, bundok-bundok na yelo. Actually, napakalamig po dyan. Grabe po ang lamig. Pero sulit naman because of the view and the scenery of Iceland. And thank you for watching. May the Lord bless you. Have a nice day.